I took at that time, I believe it was 2020, 2021 when I joined at 1.5 million. And now one of the businesses, just one, is about to do 18 million in revenue in less than 3 years. By what I learned here, I have acquired over 5 businesses with CFE. So no risk, no liability, just by the things that I learned in the home services space. And I am negotiating in so many deals that would have never even thought about it would be possible for me to do so.
And then I think we've got Yelitza Mora here. Yelitza came in. I think she was it was as a guest for somebody. Yelitza, is Yelitza here? Would you tell the story of, because I remember you coming in. I remember in the room that we were in, and you were there. And were you a guest of somebody, or you didn't plan to
I
come?
did.
What was the story?
I was. So, hi guys. Thank you so much for having me here. I'm so happy I made it. I'm actually in Tuscany, Italy right now, and
Woo!
for a month vacation, yeah, with my mom.
Nice, nice.
And so hello everyone. Thank you so much for having me here. So when I joined the program, I was actually so burnt out. I was one of those business owners that we get the opportunity to talk to that was burnt out, Dallas, Texas, construction. Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
Sorry, sometimes my internet is spotty. So
it's okay. You're perfect.
and when I joined, someone invited me to one of the live events that we have. And I was like, wow, my business is not sellable, even though we were doing about 1.5 million at the time. I was like, I've been working my sweat and tears for a long time, and even if I wanted out, I couldn't get out because it wasn't sellable, it wasn't valuable. And so I reverse engineer, I joined the program, and I started learning from Diana and Bailey and Roland and everyone in the Epic community. And so I took at that time, I believe it was 2020, 2021 when I joined at 1.5 million. And now one of the businesses, just one, is about to do 18 million in revenue in less than 3 years. By what I learned here, I have acquired over 5 businesses with CFE. So no risk, no liability, just by the things that I learned in the home services space. And I am negotiating in so many deals that would have never even thought about it would be possible for me to do. So life is great. I'm in Europe for a month. I will be seeing you guys in a week in
Yeah.
London. And I mean, it's everything because of what you learn, but what you apply. I'm a massive, massive action taker, and we get to learn so much from this family. So I mean, I owe you guys so much.
That's
So
so awesome. Thank you for taking the time from your vacation. And I think it's 9 hours
no
later there than
problem.
it is where I am right now.
Yes,
So that's really nice of
8:30.
you too. Would you, because Jalitza came on and did this and grew her business, did a bunch of acquisitions and everything, and then agreed to give back by helping out as a coach. What, Jalitza, would you say when you talk to people? Two questions for you. The first question is going to be, what was the thing that you were concerned about that maybe would have caused you not to come in and do this, that you got past? And then the second question is, with the people that you're working with when you're coaching and helping people in the program, what's the biggest thing that you feel they need to get past to be successful? So what was the thing that almost stopped you from doing it that you somehow overcame? And what's the biggest thing that you see that stops people from being successful in the program that you have to help them get past?
I think the first thing that I was super scared about, and it was money, scarcity mindset. I was so afraid of the investment, and I was like, oh my God, I thought at the time it was a lot of money, but now I'm like, I would pay it tenfold. So My life, I mean, my life is fantastic. So I think at that point it was the investment side of things. And I mean, guys, if you take action, it's gonna, I promise you, it will be life changing.
What
And I
got
would
you
say,
though to decide to make that investment?
David Asarnoff, he wrapped my hand and he said, you need to do it because your life will never be the same. And
Okay.
so
So
I
one
did.
of
I
the
was
other people
so
that was already in the
terrified.
program.
Yes, yes. And
Nice.
so I was so terrified, and he wrapped my hand and he took me to Bailey, and I was like, oh, you know what? It is what it is. I'm gonna do it. And from the moment I paid, I mean, I started taking action immediately because you're gonna learn so many things that you're like, okay, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. And I'm a massive action taker. So there you
Awesome.
go. I would say the thing that I see the most in people in general, in the program, for the people that I meet and whatnot, it's mindset. I think everyone is so terrified. It's terrified of success, believe it or not. We know it's there, we know it's achievable, we know it's possible, but we have an imposter syndrome.
Yeah,
And so it's overcoming that imposter syndrome. And you see it in very successful people. You see it in people that want to be successful. And they're like, okay, I've got what it takes because we all do. I come from Venezuela, $20 in my pocket, and now I live the American dream. But it's
that's
because
awesome.
I was able to overcome the imposter syndrome and believe that it's possible, believe that it's possible for everyone. Doesn't matter your race, doesn't matter your sex, doesn't matter your color, doesn't matter where you guys are from. It's just a matter of taking action, surrounding yourself by the right people, and changing this. And so I believe it's mindset and the scarcity mindset of, oh my God, it's so much money for whatever reason. I mean, a lot of money could be a little bit for everyone. And it was, at that time, it was a lot for me. But like I said, I would invest it tenfold at
That's
this
awesome.
point. Because I'm here for a month in Europe. 3 years later, everything is going well. Life is good. Businesses are blowing up. And so, and we're about to expand to 5 different markets, which is crazy for me to think.
That's awesome. Well, mia grazie for being here and buonanotte where you are. Have a wonderful rest of your time, and we'll
Okay.
see you in London soon.